Do you want to browse the web with more privacy? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you control how websites track your activity while you are browsing. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Tap Security and Privacy. Then tap Smart Anti-Tracking. Here, you can choose one of three protection levels. Off. It provides the least protection and is best if you want maximum website compatibility. Standard. It blocks most web tracker while allowing website to work normally, and ads may be less personalized. For most people, standard is the most recommended because it offers a good balance between privacy and compatibility. And strict, it blocks all web tracker for the strongest privacy protection, but some websites may not work properly. As a note, when you choose standard or strict, you can also enable automatic verification. This helps you skip captchas on supported website while reducing the amount of tracking during the verification process. For this example, let's choose standard and enable automatic verification. Your privacy settings are applied immediately. And that's how to adjust smart anti-tracking on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.